Welcome, quick learners. Today, we're diving into the art of meal planning, a game changer for those seeking to simplify their kitchen routines and save precious time. This is Quick Learn TV, your go-to for everything how-to. In this video, we're going to share some practical tips to simplify your kitchen routine. Let's get started. Why is it important to plan your meals? Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why meal planning is very important. It doesn't only save time, but also reduces stress, minimizes food waste, and ensures you're making healthier choices. Who wouldn't want that? Imagine this scenario. It's a typical Wednesday evening, and you've just wrapped up a long day at work. Fatigue has settled in, and the last thing you want to do is figure out what to cook for dinner. You open the fridge, hoping for some inspiration, only to find a collection of mismatched ingredients that don't quite add up to a cohesive meal. Now, let's rewind to a different version of this evening, one where meal planning has been your ally. Earlier in the week, you invested a bit of time mapping out your meals, creating a shopping list, and prepping ingredients. Fast forward to Wednesday evening, and you walk into a kitchen where everything is neatly organized, and dinner practically assembles itself. In the first scenario, without meal planning, you might resort to ordering takeout, grabbing something quick but perhaps less nutritious, or facing the stress of a last-minute grocery store run. In the second scenario, thanks to your thoughtfully planned meals, you effortlessly whip up a delicious and healthy dinner without the stress and chaos. This simple example illustrates the profound impact of meal planning on our daily lives. It's not just about saving time. It's about reducing stress, making healthier choices, and turning what could be a hectic evening into a relaxed and enjoyable one. Getting started with the basics. Now, let's break it down. Meal planning begins with the basics. Start by taking inventory of your pantry, fridge, and freezer. What ingredients do you already have? Knowing this will be your secret weapon against those last-minute grocery store runs. Build a versatile meal plan. The key to a successful meal plan is variety and versatility. Choose recipes that share ingredients, making your grocery list more efficient. For instance, if you're using bell peppers in one dish, plan another that incorporates them to avoid waste. Smart and efficient grocery shopping. With a well-planned grocery list in hand, you can zip through the store, avoiding impulsive purchases and saving time and money. Prepping. After finishing grocery shopping, set aside a couple of hours to wash, chop, and prep ingredients for the upcoming week. This initial effort will save you plenty of time on busy weekdays. Make it a habit to cook in batch. Now, let's talk about batch cooking, a meal prepper's best friend. Cook large quantities of staples like grains, proteins, and sauces. Freeze individual portions, and voila! You have ready-made meals for those days when cooking feels like a distant dream. Theme nights and flexible planning. Spice up your meal plan with theme nights. Whether it's Taco Tuesday or Stir Fry Saturday, having a theme adds fun and predictability to your routine. Also, be flexible. Life happens. So leave room for the occasional takeout night or dinner with friends. Consider some tools and apps for meal planning. In this digital age, there's an app for everything, including meal planning. Explore tools like Eat This Much Premium, Bottomline, Big Over Pro, and others that can help you organize recipes, create shopping lists, and even suggest meal ideas based on what's in your kitchen. And there you have it, folks, the art of meal planning demystified. With a well-thought-out plan, a stocked kitchen, and a touch of creativity, you can simplify your life and savor delicious meals every day. Thank you for watching. Wishing you happy and stress-free cooking. Until next time.